Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. Welcome to my garage. So today I'm in the mood for trying different color bases. So I have this from Sharon Williams Colors to Go, and the name of the base that I'm going to use today is Goldfinch. Kind of weird, right? It's like a very vibrant yellow color. I don't know, I'll mix it a little so you can see that since it's been sitting for a month, it kind of separated, so I have to mix a bit. All you do is just mix it and it will be fine. So here we are. Anyway, the colors that I'm using, these are a bunch of colors that I already have mixed and was already mixed, and I don't know what color should we, what else should we add? So basically these are all piggies. This one is, let me see the colors that I mixed or I had before. This one is Funk, this one is Deja Vu, this one is, it's called Show Pony, this one is Persephone, this one is Red, which is really cool, and this one is, no, this one is red, this one is let me see, that's the only color which is not piggy here, which is Artist's Love Professional Series, and it's called Naphthal's Crimson. Then I have Psych mixed here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them. That's also from Piggy. So let me remove everything and come back. So let's start. By the way, I think I forgot to mention earlier that my canvas is 14 inch by 14 inch gallery wrapped canvas. My cell activator today is black Amsterdam with mixed with Australian Floetrol. So let's do this. Pretty color, isn't it? Kind of too bold for me, I feel like. Then again, what does it mean by bold? It is pretty. Color testing is really important as far as paint pouring goes, because you never know which color will work out with what. So always it's a good idea to do some color tests. Do you want to work with this item? So it can become expensive also, because you are testing, you are using so many different kind of materials and you are trying it out, but unless we do, we would not know. So I have enough paint in the center. I just tested, as you can see. Let's start. Now another thing I want to talk to you about bloom is, a lot of you I see on the videos are if you have too much paint here, when you spread it out, the cells are going to get bigger when you spin it. If you have less paint, the cells are going to be smaller when you spread it out by spinning or tilting. So you always have to choose how much paint you want to save in the center, so when you spin it, it becomes the cells become your desired size, if it makes any sense. Okay, so I'm going to start with Perspoon because I love this color. Then Show Pony. Why not some Deja Vu? I also have some gold mixed, so why not use them, because gold is always pretty, at least for me. I find them beautiful. Some red. This one is called Funk. This is Psych, also from TLP. Why not? And then let's use, let's see, a little bit of more Show Pony. Cell activator. No, let's put another layer, then I'll go to cell activator. To achieve beautiful color combo, I always try to put a vibrant color right underneath my black cell activator. Okay. Before I use hair dryer, I am going to pop the bubbles. And my hair dryer is going to be medium strength and cool blow. Cell activator. This is something really weird because first of all, my cell activator was mixed earlier, then I added some extra Australian Floetrol, but it looks really weird. That's not how it should be. It should not be like this under no circumstances. I know that I'm getting those cells, but that's not how the bloom recipe cells should work. Let's spin a little to see what's going on. I like what's happening on this side, but I really don't like this one, and this is the center of the composition, so I'm for sure going to go and redo it again. Before I do that, since it's going to be messed up anyway, I'm going to make sure all sides are covered, so when I do it, redo it again. You know what, I'm going to make another fresh batch of cell activator, then I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. Try to. Again, this side is beautiful, beautiful. I cannot tell you how pretty it is, but so yeah, let's go back. Funk, tad bit of gold again. Newly mixed cell activator. Oh, before I do that, let's pop some bubbles. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I should get, not the one I was getting before. So I'm going to zoom in and you can see. Okay, now let's spin slowly. I'm going to zoom out a bit so you can see the action. millions and millions of cells. I hope you can see that in the camera. Oh my gosh, these little fine lines of cells, so pretty. Let me spin some more. It reminds me of Mexico. Don't you think so? So pretty. Oh wow, let me see how much paint we have here, how much we need to lose. We have some more, so we can lose a tad bit. So beautiful. Honestly, vibrant, bold color base really look nice with bloom, doesn't it? Oh, so pretty. Let's check how much paint we have in the center again. Perfect amount. So I can stop spinning because what I have now is good for me. I'm liking it. If I spin too much, then my cells will try to get distorted because it will have more tension. So this is a good time to stop because the cells are perfect and nice, and it will dry very nicely. So let me clean my hand and bring you down. You can see what I'm talking about. So here, do you see the shimmers of the pigments? That's the beauty of piggies. And by the way, you guys can buy all these from Fluid Art Company, and they have amazing customer service. Look at those cells. Wow, look at them. My suggestion, if you can afford, invest some money on the Australian Floetrol. It will help you a lot. See the cells, they are to die for. And once I have a bottle, it lasts for me more than 6 months. So I would say it's not a bad investment if you are into fluid art, because it does give you beautiful cells. And if you are into bloom, if you're not into bloom, you don't have to, but if you are, I would advise you. And again, you can buy all these from Fluid Art Company. So thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, bye. Oh, by the way, I said it faster, or I will show you the dried result once it dries.